Class, and I Aditi welcome you all with all of my heart. After going through the chapter super senses, we all came to know that some of the animals are blessed with extraordinary senses. Now let us see how far can we humans go to beat them. Now for this, the first activity that we are going to do is related to our sense of sight. Children, do you know the birds have eyes on each side of their head? It means they can focus on two different objects at a single point of time. And when they look forward, they focus at the same object. But we humans, we have binocular vision. Now what does this mean? It means that we need both the eyes open to focus at one object. Images created from each eye are merged together in the brain to make one single image. Now this helps us to judge the exact location of that object by overlapping the two images in the brain. Now when we look at an object by keeping both the eyes open, our span of vision increases and we have a clear idea of the position of the object. Now for a more clear understanding of this concept, we are going to do one small activity. For this you need a ball. So what are you going to do? You are going to close one eye with the help of your hand, or you can also cover it with a kerchief. Then you are going to throw this ball up in the air and try to catch it with one eye closed. So you won't be able to judge that exactly where the ball is going to fall. But if you do this activity again, keeping both the eyes open, you have a clear estimation and you will be able to catch the ball in your hands. So try this activity at home. Another activity that which we are going to do today is related to our sense of hearing. Now for this you need to stand at a silent place, a calm place and speak something. Then hear your own voice. Speak the same sentence by keeping your fingers behind your ears. When you cup your fingers, when you cup your ears like this and pull it forward, the same sound spoken by you is more clear and louder than before. So now you understood that how some of the animals have a better hearing sense because they have big ears and they have cupped ears. So this enables them to hear sounds more clear and louder. Another activity that we will do, which is related to the same concept, the concept of the sense of hearing. For this you need a desk. Sit on a desk, tap the desk with the help of your hand and carefully listen to the sound produced. Now do this again by keeping your ear on the desk like this and then tap again. The sound you hear now is more clear than the sound you heard earlier. Now also along with the sound, you felt the vibrations. This is how the snakes hear. They don't have external ears. They hear by the vibrations made by their prey on the ground. It helps them to detect any danger and also helps them to locate their prey. उनका शिकार कहाँ पे है वो ढूंढने में, जज करने में उनको बहुत हेल्प करते हैं. So this is how they go catch them and eat them. So these are some senses which were different when we talk about humans and when we talk about animals. So this was the difference which we had. There are many more points that you are going to understand when you are going to go later in your studies. So till now it is done for today's class. For further reference you can refer page number 6 and page number 8 of your EVS book and repeat these activities at home. Thank you. Have a very good day.